Hi children, in the previous recorded session we discussed about the will of sacrifice. Okay, in the will of sacrifice what we discussed, how Bhagat Singh was put into a jail because of his revolutionary activities. He fought against the British. For that reason he was put up into a jail. This much it is cleared about it. Now in jail, that is from jail, he has written 2 letters. The first letter he has been written to Batukeshwar Dutt. Batukeshwar Dutt. Okay? So who is Batukeshwar Dutt? Batukeshwar Dutt was also a freedom fighter of 1900s. Along with Bhagat Singh. Who was Bhagat Singh? Bhagat Singh was an active freedom fighter. Along with Bhagat Singh, these 2 people, they had bombed on a building. यानी किस कोई building के ऊपर these both freedom fighters, that is revolutionaries, they put a bomb on some buildings, and on that reason Bhagat Singh was put into a prison. So Batukeshwar Dutt was also like active freedom fighter like Bhagat Singh. So from jail, the first letter he has been written to Batukeshwar Dutt. Is this clear? So he has written on 21 March 1921 from Central Jail, Lahore. Central Jail, Lahore. It is written from Central Jail, Lahore. Okay. So what has he written? Let me look into the letter. He has written, from the salutation, dear brother. So in jail, what the judgment has been passed? He has awarded the death sentence. The judgment has been delivered. I am condemned to death in these cells. Besides myself, there are many other prisoners who are waiting to be hanged. The prisoners were waiting to be hanged. Is this clear? So, the meaning of beside and besides. See children, there is one word like beside, the other word is besides. What is the meaning of beside and besides? The word beside means I am standing, or my home is beside the lake. Example. Besides means in addition to. In addition to. Example. I love to play football besides cricket. मतलब मुझे फुटबॉल के साथ साथ क्रिकेट खेलना बहुत पसंद है. That is the meaning of besides. That is in addition to. Rima is my good friend besides Sheila. Besides in means in addition to. Beside means बगल में, आजू में या फिर बाजू में. Beside. Is this clear? That is grammatical usage. How do you have to use beside and besides बोलो. Besides बोले तो उसके साथ साथ ये beside यहाँ पे yes नहीं है, तो this beside is nothing but अगल बगल में या it's next to me बोलो. ठीक है? Now along with Bhagat Singh, there are many other prisoners who have been awarded death sentence. यानी भगत सिंह के साथ साथ वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको फांसी की सजा दी गई है. What they have given? They have awarded the death sentence. So everybody in the cell, the only prayers of those people is that. So the prisoners were praying that at least they could escape from the prison. So वहाँ पे जो भी दूसरे कैदी थे वो ये प्रेयर कर रहे थे कि एटलीस्ट अगर सब हो सके तो अगर हम ये जेल से निकल जाए तो हमारे लिए वो बहुत ज्यादा काफी है, बिकॉज we are in prison and the death sentence हम लोगों को नहीं चाहिए, यानी हम लोगों को शहीद किया जा रहा है तो वो शहीद हम लोगों को नहीं होना चाहिए. So what the only prayers of these people is that somehow or the other they must escape the noose. The noose is the prison, यानी किसी न किसी तरीके से they would मतलब वो लोग बाहर निकल जाएं. ठीक है, is this clear? Yes. Perhaps I'm the only among them who's anxiously waiting for the day when I'll be fortunate enough to embrace the gallows for my ideals. So here Bhagat Singh is telling that he's so fortunate that he is ready to give his life for the country. That is the will of sacrifice children. यहाँ पे समझ आ रहा है कि कई को भगत सिंह की ये will बोल को other prisoners are anxiously waiting कि कब हम लोगों को यहाँ से escape होती बोल को, but भगत सिंह is waiting for that moment. वो ऐसे moment का इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि when I will be hanged, when I will sacrifice my life for the mother earth, for the country, for India. ठीक है, he is waiting for that and he thinks that he is so lucky. खुद को अपने आप में मैं इतना लकी हूं कि मैं अपनी जान भारत के लिए दे रहा हूं. So he was like that. I will climb to the gallows gladly and show to the world as how bravely the revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the cause of nation. See, he is asking people to follow his ideal to throw British out of the country. To throw British out of the country. यानी ब्रिटिश को बाहर डालने के लिए जो इनके आइडियल्स थे, जो भगत सिंह के आइडियल्स थे, टेलिंग दैट जो फांसी का फंदा मुझे लगाया जा रहा है उस पर मैं बहुत शान से, बहुत फख्र से आई क्लाइंब दैट स्टेज एंड आई शो टू द वर्ल्ड, लोगों को दिखा दूं कि देखो द रेवोल्यूशनरी लाइक भगत सिंह, लाइक मी, I am going to give or sacrifice my life for the sake of nation. Even you people have to follow like me, not sacrificing the life but fighting against British people. ठीक है, the ideals is telling that see a revolutionary like Bhagat Singh, ये भगत सिंह जैसे patriotic ह्यूमन बीइंग, एक पेट्रियोटिक इंसान किस तरीके से अपनी जान को शहीद करने के लिए राजी हो रही है, किस वजह से? For the sake of nation, for the sake of country. I'm condemned to death, but you are sentenced to transportation for life. You will live, and while leaving, you will have to show the world that revolutionaries not die for their ideals, but can face every calamity. He's telling that now Bhagat Singh is arrested, but Batukeshwar Dutt is not arrested still. He's telling you have life, transportation of life, because you are moving from one place to another place. Because तुम्हारी जान है तो ही नहीं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जा सकते. So Batukeshwar Dutt is not dead, condemned to death, but Bhagat Singh is dead, is condemned to death. He's telling that see now you show the world, मेरे खत के जरिए आप लोगों को दिखाओ कि रेवोल्यूशनरी जो है खाली अपने आइडियल्स फॉलो करके ब्रिटिश को फाइट नहीं कर सकते, बट जो भी चीज का परेशानियां है हम उसका सामना कर सकते हैं. वी कैन फेस द वर्ल्ड, हम लोग वर्ल्ड को फेस कर सकते हैं. कोई भी परेशानी आ जाए हिंदुस्तान के लिए हम अपनी जान तक शहीद कर सकते हैं. डेथ शुड नॉट बी मीन्स टू एस्केप द वर्ल्डली डिफिकल्टीज. मतलब मुझे मौत में इस वजह से गले नहीं लगा दूं कि मुझे लोग तकलीफ दे रही बोलो, बल्कि इस वजह से दे दूं कि बिकॉज आई लव माई मदर अर्थ, आई लव इंडिया, आई लव माई नेशन एंड आई डोंट वांट पीपल सम फॉरेनर टू रूल माई कंट्री. Those revolutionaries who have by chance escaped the gallows should live and show to the world that they can not only embrace gallows for the ideals, but also can bear the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. Here he's telling that अब भगत सिंह एक revolutionary पकड़े गए. But what about other revolutionaries who by chance have escaped? जो लोग escape होगी, the Bhagat Singh is telling for them, you need not to, but you have to show to the world that you can fight for the nation. ठीक है? In the next class we shall be dealing about the another letter written, the second letter written for LCC convents. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. Go through the letter once. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.